This is your guide to picking the perfect room on the spectacular Disney Destiny. Not all staterooms are created equal, so I'm walking you through the best categories on the ship. And stay tuned, because I'll take you through the majestic 1 and 2 bedroom suites that very few people get to see, and they are amazing. If you're booking a standard deluxe OceanView with Verandah or category 5A, 5B, or 5C, the difference between a good room and a great one really comes down to movement. My top advice is to target category 5B midship. This category gives you a great location typically found on decks 8 and 9, keeping you close to dining and entertainment while avoiding extra motion you'd feel farther forward or aft. Oh, and by the way, if you have seen my other videos, you already know that the lower the number, the better the room. And yes, we will get to a category 1 room in this video. And letters identify the location. A rooms are usually midship. They're more desirable, for example, than say an E room. But you'll pay a premium for an A room, and it might not be a whole lot better than say a B or a C. Category 5A on deck 10 is a great option if you want a slightly better view, but be aware that you might feel a bit more movement up there. Next, the Family OceanView Verandah, or Cat 4, offers more space than a Cat 5 room. If you value outdoor space above else, you should target Category 4E aft. These aft-facing rooms on decks 9 and 10 benefit from the ship's hull design, giving you a deeper balcony and stunning views of the ship's wake, the largest non-concierge verandas on board. And if motion is a bigger concern, aim for a Category 4B midship on decks 8 and 9. This location keeps the ride smoother while still offering the expanded family layout that makes the Category 4 room so popular. Let's take a look at OceanView Staterooms. These are rooms that have a porthole but no veranda. Categories 9A, 9B, 9C, and 9D. Nine A rooms on deck 7 and 8 forward are the way to go, but there are very few of them, only 4 in total. There are many 9B rooms, but they are all situated way down on deck 2 and priced accordingly. Keep in mind that categories 9C and 9D will most likely have obstructed views. The reality is that most people who initially book an OceanView room ultimately regret not having a veranda, and later attempt to upgrade, only to find out the veranda room prices have gone up significantly. So just be sure you absolutely don't want the veranda. Oh, and for families of 5 who don't need a veranda, that's categories 8B and 8C, known as Deluxe Family OceanView Staterooms. These are the largest non-veranda staterooms at approximately 237 square feet. Now, in this situation, they can have value because they are very cost-effective for large families. Eight Bs are on the higher deck, 8 and 9, giving you better access to the pool deck. I specifically like 9002 through 9012 for the best views and location. 8Cs are on decks 6, 7, and 8, all the way forward and all the way aft, offering excellent convenience to the dining room and the grand hall at a lower price than an 8B. The standard inside stateroom is Disney Destiny's entry-level, most affordable stateroom, coming in at approximately 169 square feet and sleeping 3 or 4 guests. (11A) is the highest price inside room because they are on decks 9, 10, and 11, giving you great convenience to the pools and upper deck recreation areas. 11C is on deck 2 and is the lowest price option, and right in the heart of the kids clubs. Stepping into a Concierge isn't just a room upgrade, it's a completely different way of experiencing the ship with priority access and personalized service. The one-bedroom suites can sleep up to 5 guests and feature a separate king bedroom, a living room with a double convertible sofa, and a single-wall pull-down bed. They are located on decks 12 and 13 near the Concierge Lounge and feature 2 full bathrooms and a private veranda. The 2A category is the one you want to hunt for, as it signifies a larger or extended veranda. Finally, we have the majestic 2-story Royal Suite, the top-tier accommodation designed for maximum privacy and panoramic views. This incredible 1,700 square foot suite sleeps 6 and is themed as a hero suite, inspired by the noble heroism of Hercules or the mid-century modern style of The Incredibles. The defining feature is the grand spiral staircase connecting the 2 floors, which is also accompanied by a large 2-story window that creates an incredible sea view. This suite offers 3 full bathrooms and a large private veranda with its own whirlpool spa. If you found this video helpful, check out my Disney Cruise Line playlist where I have more room tours and sailing experiences, including what to do in Nassau, Bahamas. That playlist is coming up right now. I'll see you over there.